aqua, so I'm going to do it just really thin coat. About 50% or 60% of the nails, and you're going to blend it. All I do is using the belly of my bristle. I don't using the tip. Because sometimes at tip, you put too much pressures on it, it's gonna pull all the powders off. Pick the second beads, which is also the first bead. Some stuff in there. And blend it. When I blend, I keep my brush is really parallels. Instead of 45-degree angle, I keep it really flat with the nail, so then the belly of the bristle will blend the ombre for you. Second beads is a smaller beads as well, and I'm gonna do it right close to the cuticles and then tuck it in. Hi, Brazil. Happy Saturday. Okay. You want to just get a little bit more. Thank you so much, Brazil. So now I'm going to cap it with the crystal clear. I'm going to cap it right here where is your ombre is. Till the nail down. And then use the same techniques, just your belly of the bristle and blend it. So let me